Hey guys, what's going on? Sanju here. Welcome to our channel Eken H9. So friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to compare GoPro Hero 6 versus Eken H9. Today in this video I will show you the side-by-side comparison of these two action cameras. So let's get started. But before we get started, please do subscribe our channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. 1080 60 frame per second Eken voice test. Hey guys, what's going on? Stanshu here. Welcome to our channel Technophile. So friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. 1080 60 frame per second GoPro voice test. Hey guys, what's going on? Stanshu here. Welcome to our channel Technophile. So friends, how are you? So friends, as you have seen, I have done various comparison tests between Eken H9 and GoPro Hero 6. Look, what I found, Eken H9 has a pretty good color contrast as compared to GoPro Hero 6. Whereas GoPro Hero 6 is way better in terms of its stabilization and voice quality as compared to the other action cameras in the market. So if you like this video, do share or do press the thumbs up button, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Till then, goodbye, see you next time.